Aishwarya Rai Makeup Look Tutorial. First, I'm going to start by using color corrector in the areas that I need color correcting. This is Light Cherry by Huda Beauty. Next, I take this brush and I buff it out. Afterwards, I apply a concealer over top of the areas that I used color corrector, and I do the same thing. I will be listing all of the products in the description. So setting it with some Huda Beauty loose powder, and then I'm going to start using my Huda Beauty Icy Nude palette for this look. This light shade is called First Class, and it's a light tan shade. I'm applying it right above my crease, all the way up to my brow bone, and then some on my lids. This will serve to be my transition shade. Next, I'm going to take the shade Faux Fur, and I'm going to apply it right above where I would like my crease to be, and blend it upwards. I'm going to make sure that it's blended really, really well, and I'm going to apply a couple of layers of this so that I get a good, deep, dramatic effect. On my lids, to prepare them for the shine, I'm going to apply this white shade called Avalanche. After the white shade, I'm going to apply the shade Platinum, which is a silver shimmery shade. It looks very sparkly, but I didn't feel like it was quite sparkly enough. So after a couple of layers of this one, I added another shade that's even more sparkly, and it's called Bling. This shade is a mix of gold and silver sparkle. Using L'Oreal Infallible Black Pencil Liner to do my waterline, as well as underline my eyes, as well as put some on my top lash line. This is my favorite eyeliner. I feel like it applies product very, very well and smoothly. It never pulls on my lids, and it brushes and buffs out very, very beautifully, leaving a nice smoky look, which is what I'm trying to do here with this flat angled brush. I love the drama of black liner, but I don't always like the harsh lines, which is why I'm blending it out a little bit. Using Carbon, which is a black eyeshadow by MAC, and I'm going to add a little bit more drama and depth to the outer upper corners of my eyes, and then I'm going to blend it into the surrounding shadows as well. I line my eyes, my top lash line, using my NYX Epic Ink Liner to create that beautiful thin, sharp wing. I usually start at the middle to end of my eyes, and then I move inwards. That way I don't have too much product at once. Then I'm going to apply L'Oreal Extensionist Mascara on my eyelashes. What this does is it gives me drama, but it also prepares my lashes for the application of false eyelashes. For my base, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Glow Filter, which is just like almost like a primer type of a thing. I wear it underneath my foundation, and the foundation that I've applied here is Huda Beauty Easy Blur Foundation in the shade Custard. For contouring, I'm still using Solace by Rare Beauty. This is a liquid contour, and I feel like it works really well and blends in really beautifully with my skin. Blush I'm using here is also by Rare Beauty. It is their Soft Pinch blush, and it is called Cheer. Using Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette, which is a beautiful highlighter. This is number 2, and the shades are called Glitz. For lipstick, I have Thai Polo by Prada, which I feel is very beautiful for this look. And here we are. Here is the final makeup look of Aishwarya Rai. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, as I have many more coming up. Thank you.